Hello, everybody. This is Ani from the Learning Class. Welcome back to the channel. Today's video is how to make a logo within 5 minutes, probably less. Uh, so, before we get into making a logo, please do like, subscribe, share, do all the good stuff. Yeah, we are pretty new channel, so your help will definitely be much appreciated. So, without further ado, let's straight get into it. So, I'm looking to make a logo for this website. It's called True Med Suppliers. So as you can see, right now it's just a text, and within the next 5 minutes, we'll have a nice, simple text logo. So to make this logo, we're gonna head on to a website called ucraft. So you just click on ucraft. You can just sign in if you're new. You just create a new account and then click click on platform, and then you see logo maker. So just click that, make your own logo. So this is a great website. If you just want to create a very simple logo, if you just want to have a text, nothing fancy. And my personal opinion is that a simple text logo does great job rather than a very complicated logo, which it takes a lot of effort, lots of time, and I see people wasting a lot of their money, a lot of effort on just creating a logo. So yeah, I hope this tutorial will teach you how to make a logo really fast, and it looks pretty clean and nice. So the first thing you got to do is click on text. So click text, you can just drag it. Okay, and then you just write the name of the store. So in this case, for me, it's True Med Suppliers. So True Med Suppliers, right? Now you've got an option of changing the font. So there are quite a few fonts here. You can add new fonts if you like. So if you just click that, it's going to take you to Google Fonts. So you can add different fonts that if you like, and different styles here. If you need serifs, and so there's a whole lot of choice, and you have access to the entire Google Fonts portfolio. But in this scenario, I don't want to uh, add a font because I already have a font here that I like. So let's just click this, and I'm just going to use Montserrat. So I'll just click that. So as you can see, it's changed. I'm just going to click it, make it bold. So now it's bold. And then here you got three. So you can add some shapes. If you want to add a circle, if you want to add a triangle, square, or if you need a line, right? So you have those options, but in this case, I'm just going to remove them because I don't need those. Okay, then you got icon. So here you got lots of different icons. So here I'm just going to type in medical because it's a medical store. So let's see what kind of icon comes up. So here you can see I've got quite a few different medical icons which I can use. Uh, let's just try maybe this. So I just put that, I shrink it. Yeah, looks good. Now I just need this to be a different color. So I can just select this and then select the color. And I just want it to be red because it's a medical store. So looks kind of good. I can make this a little bit big. And I think that's it. I think I'm pretty happy with this. Yeah, looks pretty all right. So let's just see how it's going to look on the website. So you just click on preview. and then just click on download and then download again. So it gives you a beautiful PNG file. So the logo is downloaded. Let's go back to the website and let's try to add. So you come on the website and go to themes, go to themes, and then click on customize. And then once you click on customize, you're gonna see header, right? So just click on header. You go to the logo section, select the logo. So select image, and then it will be in your downloaded section. So here it is. I'm just going to click that. So as you can see, now it's here. I'm going to select it. There is an option to increase or decrease the size of the logo. I think I'll just leave it the way it is. That's fine. I can also play around with the padding, but I'm just going to leave that the way it is because I like it. It's pretty simple, easy. So I'm just going to save it. Okay. And now let's just see how it looks in the front end. So just refresh it. And there you go. So that's the logo. Pretty simple, pretty easy. And it just took literally 5 minutes to make a logo instead of, spending hours and, hundreds of dollars and finding somebody to do it for you. You can just do it, a simple text logo. Looks clean, looks beautiful, does the job. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and please like, subscribe. We are pretty new, so I really appreciate that. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care. Bye now.